Here's another great RV from Country Creek RV and Marine Supercenter.
Hi, my name is Chelsea. I'm going to show you the Cherokee Limited-294GEBG.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Welcome to Country Creek RV and Marine Supercenter, your RV, boat, and tracker off-road dealer in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. We have a large selection of new and used RVs at great prices. We carry many types, including folding pop-up campers, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers by Forest River, Grand Design, and Palomino. We also carry Tracker Off-Road and a large line of boats, including Bulls Bay, Excel, Ranger, Nitro, Tracker, Low, and more. As one of the largest RV and boat dealers in Mississippi, we're able to offer great deals to our customers in our own state, but also surrounding states like Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Louisiana, and Tennessee. You will not be disappointed by the great selection or the great prices on our RVs here at Country Creek RV. Our friendly staff is here to help you find the perfect RV for you. If you need help finding the RV of your dreams, please just ask. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest recreational innovations both on and off the water. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive up-to-date videos on all our new and used RVs and boats. Here at Country Creek RV and Marine Supercenter, we've teamed up with Forest River and Grand Design and top-selling boat manufacturers to provide the best brands to make the RV and boating lifestyles a reality for your family. We are sure you will be impressed with our knowledgeable sales and support staff, our walk-in parts department, and the top-selling floor plans right here at our dealership in Hattiesburg, Mississippi.